Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So today, you just saw me, unbox this wig. You saw me apply this wig. So now I'm gonna be talking about the specs, the specs. Let's see me talk about the specs on this wig. So let's get into it. So one thing that I do love about this unit, okay, first of all, let's go back. So how I apply my hair, you can kind of see, yeah, I ain't do a good job. So yeah, I just been covering my ear right here and right here. I ain't do a good job. But it is giving scalp, It is giving scalp. This is like the very first clear lace that I ever had. One of the most easiest lace I ever had of wigs, because usually I get my wigs from AliExpress. And so this was one of the easiest wigs. It works for me to install. However, when I got the wig, it was a 16-inch, but then I cut it down to probably like a 14-inch. So it was kind of uneven at the end, so I just cut it so it could be evenly. But I don't know because I cut it. But baby, it's shedding. So I just cut my brush so you guys could kind of see what my brush look like with the hairs. So every time I brush it, it's hair, and then it's like hair all everywhere. And I guess that's when you have weave and you cut it, it's just hair everywhere. So I don't know, I probably got something away because I cut it, because it was not, I can't say if it was shedding before I put it on, but it's shedding. So that's the only like issue that I've been having with this hair. Like I'll do like this, got some hair everywhere, and it's just everywhere. So me installing it, it's been a week since I had this hair in, so it's kind of, I used the lace tape and lace, y'all saw me installing. It was a little hot mess, okay? I'm not even about to sugarcoat and let you know it was a hot mess. So that was probably how I installed it. But I love Boho products. They're like the best. I have everything Boho, okay? I just have a lot of Boho products, and I just think they're the best products. And I order from the Hair Diagram, the website itself. I have never bought Boho products out of the beauty supply store. I've always ordered from the Hair Diagram website. So, and I do watch her YouTubes, and I do watch her Instagram. Just trying to get those teachings and stuff. So, but I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the wig with my Boho remover, lace remover. So I'm going to use that to remove the wig. So I may remove the wig, I don't know, probably tomorrow, but I'm gonna remove the wig, so just to take it off. But what else about the hair? I ordered it on a Friday and it came on a Monday, so it was a very quick shipping, great customer service, because I got an email just saying, hey, did you receive your wig? So yeah, great customer service with that. Yeah, the only bad thing I can say is that it was just shedding bad. But I don't know if it has something to do when I cut it, but yeah, that's the only thing I can say. It's like really soft, silky. I mean, only thing I can say, it was just it's shedding. That's the only issue I had. But I was saying with the texture, it's like really silky, and I haven't put no oil in it. Well, except for the top when I use the wax stick. But that's it. It's like some shine into it. But I have my curlers on, so you can kind of see it takes a curl really good. But for me to be curling the hair at nighttime, I use flexi rods. So that's kind of how I've been keeping the hair curled. Yeah, the hair really, I really love it. So this is my third Luvme hair. This is my third time purchasing from Luvme hair, and as you can see in my first video, the wig just did not fit correctly on my head. But as you can see on this one, you know, this wig is fitting all right. I mean, it fits my hair. Like as I said, my hair is 20, it measured at 23 inches. I'm probably like not doing the best curling. Yeah, but I have got to the point where I like to change up my hairstyles, you know, like every week, I would say. Just try. They're gonna say, why you didn't curl right here? I did. Just... This kind of look like I got a blowout, okay? I got a blowout. So yeah, this is the Luvme hair, the lace. So I really think like this looks like if I had like a silk press. It's really good. So I really like this wig, and I had it in for a week. I really enjoyed it. As I stated, like it's really pretty soft hair. It's really gorgeous. It's giving blowout vibes. Oh, as you guys saw when I was installing my wig, one thing that I did try that I bought was the wig dealer. The wig dealer part perfection lace concealer. It was too light, and it said that it's supposed to synthetic wax. It says that it was supposed to, you know, match people like some, I don't know if it's a majority skin tones, but the person that I saw that put it on, I thought me and her kind of was like the same complexion. But yeah, that when I put it on my part, it looked real, I don't know, it's giving real, you know, ashy. I don't know, not ashy, but it was just too bright. So I don't know, I might try it again, but I didn't like it. And you can kind of see a corner right there. It was just where I put it, because I did do a part, but then when I saw it, it just did not look right. And so yeah, that was the wig dealer's part perfection lace concealer. So yeah, that was a no for me, but I may give it a go again. But yeah, I know I'm just rambling, but yeah, you guys, thanks for tuning in. And I want to say thank you again to all the people that has been watching my videos. Thank you those who have been subscribing. Thank you to those that have been laughing with me. You know, like I said, this is just a hobby that I have enjoyed during quarantine. Well, when we were on quarantine, just learning how to do my hair, putting on wigs, and just learning different things. So yeah, I'm just a mom, you know, trying to, yeah, you know, get a little skills, do my hair, because, you know, your girl trying to perfect her, you know, put her wigs on skills and, you know, different products, my makeup and stuff, you know, trying to get better on my eyebrows. I know they look a mess. They're not matching today, but they might be cousins, but they're not sisters. So, yeah, but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me. My subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching my channel. And you guys, like I said, I'm enjoying this. But yeah, tell a friend, tell a cousin, to anybody subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys will purchase, you know, a wig from here and enjoy this.